although the future is uncertain, how can we somehow future-proof our career?
The word is solid. You want to future-proof your career, solid. S, you gotta have a support system. Kung pwede sana, meron kang main job, may sideline. Makakatulong yon. Meron kang support system, di ba? And then, it's not lifetime employment that's important, it's employability. Employability is the ability to get employed whenever you want it, wherever you need it.
Mhm.
And there's only one key to employability, continuous improvement. O is for opportunity radar. Kailangan parating nakabukas yan. Diba? Maybe I can't grab this opportunity today, but if anything happens, mukhang kakayanin ko to. Kailangan may listahan ako. Diba? At ina-update ko yan. Right? When my daughter Hannah said, Dad, it's time for a podcast. Diba? Sabi ko, dami ko nang ginagawa. Sabi niya, come on, Dad. She convinced. She said, but you already have the content. That's there. I have content that I can work on if anything happens to the rest of my career. You have to have an opportunity radar. Always on. L, leveraging. Ang big sabihin ng leveraging, huhugot ka dito, huhugot ka doon. Hihingi ka ng tulong dito, di ba? Meron kang konting kilala dyan, may network ka doon. It means you're able to pull and push, press a button when needed. So, gumawa ka ng paraan, but you have to have an idea also of what your resources are. I is inner circle. So mentors, right? People who have your ear. People who speak life to you. Napaka-importante niyan. And then finally, of course, divine intervention. You know, the God who orchestrates all.